Are you looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner with a pretty neat feature, which we will show you momentarily? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this cordless, self-emptying vacuum cleaner. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and clearly, we have already been testing it. We wanted to put it to the test before we actually made the video. This thing works pretty good. We're gonna show you how it works. So this vacuum cleaner actually has two really cool features. First, it comes with this stand. You plug this into the wall wherever you want, and when you put it on there, it charges. It also will empty at the push of a button. There's a bag in here, and it empties down into the bag, so you don't have to constantly be trying to open it and put it in your trash can and things like that. But we're gonna do a little vacuuming and show you just how well it works. Oh, look, it's got a laser. That's gonna show, look at it, yep, it's gonna help you see all the dust on your hard floor. Is that on the boost mode or the?
No, this is the low mode.
Okay, so that's how.
I can hear it, it's definitely.
Yeah, that's how loud it is on the low mode. I love the light. Low? Okay.
It's the carpet pretty good.
Yeah? There you go. It does not seem to bother Memphis at all. She's sound asleep. What do you think, Memphis? Oh, I can see it's pulling fur out of, look at that. It's pulling out the floops. That's the important part. Huh. It's a vacuuming machine. Oh, I saw hair there, and now it's gone. It did get a big clump of hair off the carpet there. I can see that when you're pulling it back, there's a little bit of resistance, which is good. That means it's actually like...
Yeah, you can see it lifts the carpet
grip into the carpet. And that's a good thing, because that means it's sucking the dirt and the sand out of the... Which clearly we can tell by the container.
Yeah.
Yeah. Memphis is just like, I'm napping. Okay. You know it's a good test for a vacuum cleaner when you try it on a multi-dog household.
Yeah.
And seeing how much fur and hair it gets out of there. All right. It's lightweight. I like that it's lightweight.
Yeah, you don't have to hold the button. You just hit the button, it
Yep.
turns on.
That's nice as well.
And then the auto empties. And then it shows that the battery's charging.
Yep.
Hit the mode button.
It's gonna empty it. I love that that piece comes down to get everything that's stuck there off. That's so cool.
And technically, that's cleaning that little filter
Yeah.
right there every time, too.
Yep, which you can also take this apart and take that filter out and wash it, which is recommended. Like Jamie was saying, you know, a lot of people are going to go, well, what's the point of the bag when it's a bagless vacuum? So the nice part about this, going down into here, when you empty these into your trash can, dust goes everywhere.
Yeah,
like
dust.
no matter what,
Yep.
dust goes everywhere. So this, instead of having to pop it open, empty it into your trash can, sucks all of that down into here and puts it right into the bag. And these bags hold a lot. So like, yeah, you're gonna have to buy bags for it and things like that, but the bags hold a lot, which is really nice. So you'll probably get quite a few uses out of it before you have to empty the bag. Oh, it did come with the extra bag as well.
And it is pretty a universal
Yep.
bag, so.
Yep. Oh, it also does come with a couple of other tools, which I thought was really nice that they have a spot on the base. So it has the dust tool there, and then it has a crevice tool as well, which I like that the crevice tool has the holes in the side.
Yeah.
That makes
essential.
Oh, it makes it so nice so it's not sticking to everything. But I love that they have, there you go, they have a place right on the base. And then this, you put it wherever you want it, and then it's charging as it's on the base. This is pretty nice. I think we approve of this. You can see all the little things in there to get all your fur off carpet. I like this. We approve of this vacuum cleaner.